connected speech, the transcription, when to use the caret, when to use the schwa is the question. So in connected speech, it's really becomes a bit of a judgment call as to which symbol you're going to choose. We do have kind of our normal, like in the word above, it starts with a schwa, and then the second vowel is the caret. And in connected speech, that's probably going to come out the same way. I was above the line, something like that. However, where we get this changing, where we have to make some decisions, is in words like the, which, as I just said it, when I say it in citation form by itself, it has a full caret. That is a fully produced sound, as I'm ing here. But what we need to do is when we say things rapidly, most of the time in speech, the word the comes out very small and very quick. So the dog, the cat, I like the ice cream. And it comes out so tiny that it's the schwa. If you can barely hear it, then it's the schwa. But sometimes we also, particularly when working with kids, that might not be how they exactly articulate their sentences. They might say, I like the dog. And so in that situation, I would use the caret because even though we've been talking about how in connected speech, most of the time we kind of reduce those vowels and we make them little and we just use the schwa. It's a judgment call on length, essentially. So the dog versus the dog. I see a cat. Okay, there's the schwa in a cat. But if I said, I see a cat, which happens sometimes in natural speech. It doesn't always have to be, I see a cat, which you can clearly hear is a fully articulated, but sometimes we do lengthen and we say, I see a cat. Then in that case, I would put in the caret. So I hope those examples are helpful in answering that question.